Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we got a vise here, and we had to print out how to put it together. And these two parts just snaps onto here. This goes through here, and this part is for the bottom, and I guess it goes like this. No, it goes the other way. It goes like this, and this goes on here. It's supposed to go in there like that. I think you have to got to start it over here. There's a piece there that's messing it up right there. Let's see if I can screw that on. Like that. Okay, so we got that, and we have to take it off again. Sorry, guys. This slips through here like this. That goes like that. And you screw it on. And then this part goes in the bottom of this, like this. You screw that on there if you want to clamp it to something. Okay. So there it is. That's what it's supposed to look like. But I'm not going to use the clamp part. But that's how you put it together. Like that. I am interested in this part here. This screw is supposed to go in here. It doesn't look like it's sized right. Oh yeah, it is. It is sized right. That goes in there. Say like that. And then these paws go in. That doesn't fit. Oh yeah, you gotta go, it's like this. You gotta go like this, and then put it down like that. And then take this one, back it off, put it in there like that. It slips in right through here. Right through here, okay? And then you have these little blocks here. So you got to put the block in, back it off. Let's see if this will fit. I got to back it off somewhere. That goes in there like that. And then, okay, so I think that these things are extra. Got a little mark. Yeah. These are an extra set. So there you go. You screw it in, and you can tighten something up on it. Let's get a bottle here. Tighten the bottle up on it. Yeah, that works. Loosen it. I don't know what else I could demonstrate how this works. This is a good thing to demonstrate how it works. Put a clothespin in there. But see, it only goes to a certain point. That's why they give you the extra the extra blocks if you really want to get in close. So let's back this all the way out like that. Drop another block in and see how far it goes. So it goes to about there. So anything about, I would say 3 millimeters. That's 3 millimeters right there. I can eye it. So let's put this in. And we'll show you the action. And that's held in. It's an okay vise. It's not precision. You know, you could probably go on Amazon and find, you know, something comparable for less money. But that's what I want to show you today. This is called the Scrib Stock. Scrib Stock. See it right there? If it can focus, that's what it is. It's an okay vise. I wanted to make a vise. I don't know what I'll be using it for, but let's back it all the way out. See if this one drops in. I got 3 now. 3 that it drops in, and it will close it even more. Down to about, go all the way. So you put all 3 in, and it'll go all the way. That's good. We'll put that off to the side, something I made. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you rate and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100,000. And look at this. I made this on here. That's for this. I'm trying to reach 100,000 in my subscribers. And they give you a really neat silver plaque if you reach 100,000. And I'm hoping to. And I'll be having a next video on something different, entirely different. And I think I'll talk about it and give you a brief overview on it. That's in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. And please give the thumbs up.